southeast of Westminster and was moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Midland, Carroll. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts, large hail, and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows.
Cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe
The National Weather Service
until 9:45 p.m. for the following county, Baltimore County, Maryland. The following is a short-term